On this channel, we talk a lot how to find trends for Merge by Amazon. But the thing is, one of the most important parts of working with Amazon is to truly understand how Amazon search algorithms work. And there is one small hidden truth. It really doesn't matter whether you have a product uploaded from FBA or from Merge by Amazon. You are competing for the same customers. You are competing in the same search. And it really doesn't matter whether you're a small business, FBA seller, or a merchant. In the end, there is only one keyword and one search. Let's start from the very beginning. The whole reason why Amazon is successful is because it maximizes sales each way possible, and the ranking algorithm really works to maximize the number of sales on Amazon. How does it work? It simply recommends products that customers are most likely to buy, and this is the key factor. So the Amazon algorithm matches the intent of the buyer to buy a product to the product. So it really means that the product which has a high likelihood of purchasing is ranking first. Those who have lower purchase likelihood, they are ranked lower. And I believe that you all noticed this, as bestsellers are usually on the first couple of lines, and products that are generating more sales usually there, and then all the other products with different selections come in second. The very important question you might ask next is how Amazon understands which product a customer is most likely to buy. There are two key factors which Amazon outlines in their explanation how the algorithm works, and it's two processes or two factors. First, it is relevance, and second is a performance. So these are the crucial metrics for Amazon engine. So products that are most relevant to the customer's choices, to what the customer is searching on the Amazon, and both products which are performing the best due to historical data of Amazon, they are getting most of the sales. In the end of the day, it really means that each customer has their own searches. There won't be two completely similar searches for two people, because purchasing behavior and interests for each customer will be unique. And this is how this whole thing working. It really seems like it is a buzz. Nothing is in order, but is it like that? Let's dig deeper and understand what is the relevance for Amazon listings. It's simple. You all know this, how it works. You just didn't know that it is relevance. And the thing is that relevance really means it is keywords. Amazon engine couldn't just think or function as the human brain. Yes, it is the most powerful engine from the powerful engines in the world, in the internet, but it couldn't predict on a whim everything that customer has in mind and you as a seller have in mind. And for these purposes, Amazon uses keywords to understand the context of your listing, to understand what you are selling, what is the product, how to show it in the search field. And after understanding whether your keywords in your Amazon listing matches the user query, then if it's relevant, it shows this product to the customer. Sounds like it is a long process, but usually it goes within a second or even faster. So, if you really want to be relevant to different searches, this really means very simple: add all possible keywords which are describing your product that are relevant to your product. This way, you'll be shown by Amazon to the searches that are most relevant for the buyer who is searching for the products. And in the end of the day, the wow factor of working with keywords on Amazon is to find keywords which have low competition and the highest search volume possible. This is a golden match, and when you're finding these keywords, you are getting sales really easily. You can find these keywords in lots of programs that are aiming to find search keywords and relevance keywords. You could spy for your competitors' listings. It's also a good strategy to understand how the things are going. One more important thing is that to some point of its evolution, Amazon really weighted some fields, so the title, the brand name, weighted more than bullets and description, and as of today it really doesn't matter, and each keyword that you are putting onto those fields weight the same. And if you are still watching this video to this point, now we'll go to some tips and tricks, couple of them, otherwise we will discuss in future videos. And there are some fun things that really sounds that they are not important or they could be treated differently, but you understand that some of the things you could have think wrongly and some of the things are working in a different way. So it's really fun things to explore and to understand the Amazon algorithm. So there is a thing which is singular and plural words. You might think that both of them should be added to your keywords of choice, but it really doesn't matter because Amazon really understands this link between singular and plural words. So don't waste your precious symbols for adding both variants. Just think about most relevant keyword, and if it is plural, add this. If it is single, add that. Choose one, otherwise Amazon will do any other things in your favor. The second thing that could be taken wrongly, it is lower and uppercase letters. Long story short, it really doesn't matter. Amazon treats both ways of spelling the same, and when you're adding those keywords to your fields, you will see one small thing that is not allowed for you to add a lot of uppercases. If you thought that there is a black hat technique with misspelling wordings, it could be true. There are some searches and there are some people who are adding such types of keywords into their listings, but it really doesn't matter because Amazon understands that this is a mistake. It corrects the whole search and shows the most relevant product according to the right variant of spelling, so there is no need for you to add those misspelled wordings and keywords to your Amazon listings. There is some time left and we'll be talking about performance factor a little bit later in the new videos. We'll go just quickly through it just for you to understand how things work. And there are three factors that are important for Amazon algorithm. It is CTR or click-through rate, CR or conversion rate, and actual sales the listing generates. So everything about CTR is really simple. How often to the view people are clicking into your product. You won't see those numbers in any of the statistics of your Amazon product, but you could literally check these numbers when you are adding these products to your advertising accounts. It really doesn't matter, you are buying ads on Amazon, on Facebook, Instagram, Google, whatever. You could really find similar to Amazon CTR numbers, so it could really work well for you. As of conversion rate, it's also very simple. How much people bought your product after viewing this product? This is also one of the most important metrics in the whole world of e-commerce. You might find that 1% is a good number of CR, but really varies. Different niches and different products have different CRs, but what's more important, that Amazon treats your listing differently regarding those numbers. And of course, the more your product generates sales, I believe all of you have seen that, the more sales it gets. If it's not outdated product, if it's not seasonal one, if it's not something that your competitors outdo you for, it will be getting more and more sales. It will be getting high in the rankings, the more sales it will have. This way, you might see that a lot of search keywords on Amazon, there are brands, huge brands such as Disney or Marvel. The simple reason is they not only buy ads, they have more sales than competitors. And this way, in all software, almost in all keywords that are more competitive, more general, you will see brands first in a couple of pages of the results because they have more sales, they have more popularity, and this is the only thing that Amazon cares about. More sales, more money for Amazon. This is the only reason they exist. This is the only reason you will be ranking higher than anybody else on the search. So this is everything about Amazon SEO for today. We'll continue this talking. It's not finished yet. There is lots of things to discuss. And see you soon in the new videos. Don't forget to subscribe, write anything in the comments, and see you soon on this channel.